guys know when he's off 50%? I sure can. Copy. He's going to be down by the city of Greenville's last owner.
Nathan, I'm going to check on them quick, okay? Because I want to make sure they're not hurt. Okay?
I got the case number, I think.
What? I don't know, baby. I'm going to go check right now, okay?
Man, case number. Right. Not sure if it's on the right or left. I'll see if I can see it on the camera.
The median side or the right side?
It sounds like I bumped into that.
Right.
Oh, maybe they just turned and they turned too fast.
Not far.
I'm trying to go again. Thanks.
We can't show the truck. Really bad.
Main line. Is this going to be one of the main, maybe?
What did you do?
It looks like they're speeding.
Copy. Do you want the vehicle to stop for BMW? Dispatch, truck 181, back and forth.
What's the issue? Turning now. Affirmative. Truck company.
This is weird. How did it happen? What did they say? Now, what did they say?
C5 is going to be 23-004030.
Can you help me out?
4080.
Hold on, buddy. Somebody spun out and they hit the wall and they hurt themselves pretty bad. Their head was hurting and they were bleeding. So Daddy wanted to make sure that they knew where they were and that they were okay. The person that hit his head is not from around here, so he didn't know where he was. So the fire department and the police department didn't know where to go.
He was requesting the truck company to borrow.
I'm sorry, baby, what? Yeah, I knew right where he was, so I told him where he was. Yup. So now they're gonna get the help he needs to get him checked out at the hospital. He's in his truck or in his car still, buddy. Because he hit his head on the steering wheel, and his lip was bleeding, and his thigh was sore, because his car hit the wall so hard. How did what, buddy?
Maybe that when a car came up, no seat on to the other side too fast, and then it kept going. Then he walked. I'm gonna tell that. Wait, Dad, are you taking a towel of that?
Alright. And then Nathan, up ahead, there's another police car. Because there was a crash going the other direction. He's going that way. It's up here, I'll show you. We're gonna go past it. It's on your side. I'll show you.